So let's compare servers used by Python. Uvicorn, Uvicorn, Daphne, Hypercorn. Uvicorn is WSGI type. WSGI stands for Web Server Gateway Interface, and it is a standard interface between Python web applications like Flask or Django and web servers. It was introduced in PEP 333 and later updated in PEP 3333, becoming the official standard for Python web applications. WSGI allows web servers to communicate with Python web applications in a consistent and efficient manner. How WSGI works? Let's analyze a single request response cycle. A web server, Apache or nginx, receives HTTP request from a client, probably a browser. Then it forwards the requests to the WSGI server, probably Uvicorn or uWSGI. The WSGI server passes the request information to the Python application. The Python application processes the request and returns a response to WSGI. The WSGI server sends the response back to the web server, which delivers it to the client. The components in this cycle are client, web server, WSGI server, and Python application. Client sends the request. The web server handles HTTP traffic and passes request to WSGI server. WSGI server provides WSGI interface and runs Python application. Python application implements the logic and handles the request and generates a response. Why WSGI exists? Before WSGI, there was no standard way for Python applications to communicate with web servers. Each framework or application often required custom solutions, leading to compatibility issues. WSGI solves this problem by providing a unified interface, ensuring that any WSGI compliant server can run on any WSGI compliant platform application. WSGI is stable, it's been around for years, so it's reliable and doesn't change unexpectedly. Well tested, many big applications use it, so any issues have been found and fixed over time. Widely supported, Flask and Django work perfectly with WSGI. Is the standard way to run them on servers like Uvicorn or uWSGI. Middleware support. WSGI allows developers to insert middleware between the web server and the application to perform tasks like logging, authentication, and request modification. Framework agnostic. WSGI is not tied to any specific framework. Flask, Django, and Pyramid all use WSGI. The key features of WSGI. It is a synchronous model. WSGI is designed for synchronous request-response workflows, which means it processes one request at a time per worker. It is great for frameworks like Flask, Django, and Pyramid. These frameworks are designed to work seamlessly with WSGI, making it easier to deploy them on servers like Uvicorn or uWSGI. For traditional synchronous web applications, it is the perfect fit and has been the standard for years. However, for newer asynchronous frameworks like FastAPI, ASGI is a better option. Next server that we will analyze is Uvicorn. It is a fast and lightweight web server for running Python applications with ASGI. It is like an upgraded version of WSGI, designed for modern web applications that need real-time features, like chat applications or live notifications. Uvicorn is great because it's super fast, handles asynchronous code well, and supports things like WebSockets and background tasks. Uses HTTP too. It's not the best for older frameworks like Django without asynchronous support, and asynchronous applications can be trickier to write. Uvicorn shines with asynchronous framework like FastAPI or Starlette, especially when you need real-time or high-scalable applications. Let's discuss our next server in line, Daphne. It is a web server for running Python applications with ASGI. It's part of the Django Channels project and it's great for handling asynchronous tasks like WebSockets or long-lived connections. Daphne is tailored for Django and excels in handling real-time features like WebSockets. It's reliable for combining HTTP and asynchronous tasks in a single application. It's slower than some servers like Uvicorn and can feel more complex to set up for beginners. Running asynchronous Django requires extra configuration compared to traditional setups. But it's ideal for Django applications that need real-time applications or asynchronous features like live updates or chats. Our next beautiful server, Hypercorn. It is highly flexible, supporting modern protocols like HTTP2 and HTTP3 and WebSockets. It works seamlessly with asynchronous frameworks like FastAPI and Starlette, and its rich configuration options allow fine-tuning for advanced use cases. While powerful, Hypercorn is not as lightweight or fast as Uvicorn for basic applications. Its flexibility can make up some startups more complex, and it might require more effort to optimize for performance in simple applications. At the end, Hypercorn is ideal for applications that need advanced protocol support, like HTTP3 or server push, or require custom configurations. It's a strong choice for high-performance asynchronous applications in cutting-edge environments. And I want to discuss one more server, and that is uWSGI, a web server for running Python applications originally built for WSGI, but it also supports ASGI for asynchronous frameworks. It's known for being highly configurable and production ready. It is extremely versatile, supporting many deployment features like process management, caching, and monitoring. It's great for running stable, production-ready applications. Setting up uWSGI can be complex, especially for ASGI applications, and it's heavier than servers like Uvicorn or Daphne. It's not the best choice for modern asynchronous frameworks, but it is great for large, complex applications where you need fine-grained control over processes, especially in production environments. So, in summary and conclusion, I can say each server has its strengths and it is suited for specific use cases. WSGI, with its stability and simplicity, remain the go-to choice for traditional synchronous frameworks like Flask and Django. For modern synchronous applications, ASGI servers like Uvicorn, Daphne, and Hypercorn excel in handling real-time features, scalability, and advanced protocols. While Uvicorn offers speed and efficiency, Daphne integrates well with Django channels, and Hypercorn provides flexibility for cutting-edge applications. Lastly, uWSGI stands out for its robust configuration options, making it ideal for large, production-ready deployments. Choosing the right server depends on your application's architecture, whether it's synchronous or asynchronous, and the specific features you need. Hey everyone! If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and lets me know what content you love. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on exciting new tutorials and insights. Your support means the world and helps me keep creating awesome content just for you. Thank you!